With a few simple ingredients, I make a holiday salad that looks like a mini cake and disappears from the table in minutes. First, I cook the potatoes, carrots, and eggs. This will be the base of the whole salad. I rub the chicken breast with olive oil and coat it in my favorite poultry seasoning so it bakes up juicy and full of flavor. I bake the chicken until it is cooked through and lightly golden. You will find exact baking times in the description. I peel the cooked potatoes, carrots, and eggs. Everything is soft and ready for the next steps. I grate the potatoes on the coarse side of the grater. They turn light and fluffy right away. I grate the carrot more finely so it will mix nicely with the mayonnaise in the next layer. I separate the egg yolks from the whites. I will use both later to build the layers. I grate the yolks and whites in separate bowls. The color contrast will make the salad look like a little layered cake. I chop the onion into a fine dice. It will add a gentle bite and more character to the salad. I cut the marinated mushrooms into quarters and keep a few whole ones aside for decoration. I finely chop the baked chicken breast. Inside it should be tender and juicy. Into a bowl I add the chicken, potatoes, onion, yolks, and mushrooms. I keep the carrots and whites for the final pretty layers. I add a few spoonfuls of mayonnaise. This will bind everything together. I season with salt, pepper, and my favorite herbs and mix until I get a fragrant, creamy salad. If you enjoy homemade salads for holidays and gatherings, give this video a like and subscribe for more recipes. I fill the ring mold to about half its height. You can build neat layers, but I like the easier mixed version in the center. I mix the grated carrot with a little mayonnaise and seasoning. It makes a bright orange layer that really stands out on the salad. I spread the carrot mixture on top and gently smooth it with a spoon. On top, I add a layer of grated egg whites. It looks like a soft, snowy blanket. I carefully lift off the mold. The salad holds its shape like a small cake. I spread a thin coat of mayonnaise around the sides and press in thin breadsticks all the way around to make an edible little fence. Served this way, a simple salad suddenly looks festive and everyone wants to know how you made it, even though the ingredients are still very basic. On top, I arrange the mushrooms and cherry tomatoes. The more relaxed it looks, the more it resembles a tiny vegetable garden. I pipe tiny white dots of mayonnaise on the tomatoes and they instantly turn into cute little fairy tale toadstools. I add a few basil leaves. You can also use chives or parsley. A touch of green really brings the whole dish to life. And that is it. A simple salad turned into a small holiday centerpiece for the family table. Thank you for spending time with me in the kitchen today. If you enjoy cozy homemade recipes, please subscribe for more.